Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text on Snap in Snapchat. You may want to add a comment or post to daily steps you share. For example, you can write the name of the place you go to and from which kitchen the food you eat comes from. Now let's move on how it's done. Now for this, first of all, we just have to open the Snapchat application. We create a snap by pressing the middle button here like this, and as you can see there are a lot of options in the right side of the screen. So the first and the top option is T, means text. Just tap on it, and now here we set the font and shape here like this, and we can choose the color of the text as well. Now when you are done with this, and you can type anything, like I'm going for this hello, and as you can see now we write something, we can hold on it, and you can see we can move anywhere on the screen we want. Now our snap with text is ready to share. You can simply tap on this send to button and send it anywhere you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.